Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today I did a makeup tutorial, you guys. I honestly can't remember the last time I did one, and I kind of missed it. I missed doing it. I was so happy I was finally able to do it. It's actually on this look. Yeah, I know, right? Shocking. I really do like it. I like the way it came out. I actually wore this for a wedding 2 weeks ago, and I was, I didn't know what I was gonna wear. Like, I didn't know like my makeup. I didn't know what I was gonna wear for my makeup, and I kind of just threw this together, and I really loved it. So I was like, I need to make a makeup tutorial on it. So yeah, that's what I did. I love the purple winged liner. I don't know, I just really love it with the lips and the combination, and yeah, I just love it. It's really nice. I think it's nice. I personally like it. Like I said, I love it. So if you want to see how I did this makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna pick up the third shade in the first row with the fluffy brush. I'm gonna use this as my transition shade. I'll put this in my crease and blend to my brow bone. And I already primed my eyelids with some concealer and setting powder. So with that same brush, I'm going to pick up Naked from the Naked palette. And I'll put that in my crease. But I'm going to bring it up as high. Now I'm going to take the Anastasia Self-Made palette because I love this. There's a couple shades I really love in this palette. I really like the hot chocolate. And this beautiful purple color here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up the hot chocolate with a more tighter blending brush. This is a Sigma E25 brush. I'll pick up a little bit of that. Any dark brown would work for you if you like. And I'm just going to really pack it in the outer V area. And bring it in like so. But I really want a lot of color right here in this area, this little pocket. I just wiped off whatever product was left, so it's semi-clean, semi-dirty. And I'm just bringing that hot chocolate, just blending it towards the crease, but I'm not bringing it all the way in. So what I want to do now is I'm going to get ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Eye Candy, which you can't even see the color because of the light. That is what it looks like. It's a beautiful lilac color with really pretty like glitter, like sparkles in it. Shimmer. It's not shimmer, it's like sparkles. So the best way to apply this eyeshadow, I noticed, is with your fingers. So I like to use my ring finger because it's the most gentlest out of all your fingers. That has enough, pressure. So I'm going to put that on the rest of my lid. Now I'm going to take that same brush that we used for that dark brown shade and just kind of marry the two together. For the eyeliner part, I'm using the deep purple from the Self-Made Anastasia palette. And I'm using two brushes actually. I'm using this really old MAC brush. It's an angled brush, but I just really like because it's super thin. And then I'm using this Chanel little brush, like a little pointer brush. I don't know, it's Chanel number 4. I've had it for years and I love it. Like, I really love it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up some deep purple with that Chanel brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of run this along my lash line. I just zoomed in a little bit more so you can really see. Then I'm going to take the angled brush and I'm going to do my wing with this. Like so. And just fill it in. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. But now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna put some mascara on and I shall return. So I forgot to put highlighter on again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the Jekyll and Hill palette. I'm gonna use this shade right here to highlight my inner tear ducts and then my brow bone. So I'm actually gonna tight line my upper lash line. I'm just using any black eyeliner. This is Urban Decay. I am actually going to put on some fake eyelashes. These are House of Lashes. I knew I had it backwards, but House of Lashes Siren Lashes. So I'm actually going to use this bronzer from the Ofra collection. And I honestly don't know the name of the bronzer. I can't remember what it's called. I don't even know if it has a name in the back. I could check for you guys. Yeah, so unfortunately, I don't know the name of this bronzer, but I'm going to put it on. I know it's one of, I think it's Americano. I don't know if that's, I could look it up for you guys if you want. So what I'm going to do is move my hair. And put a little bit here, bring it down here. I actually really like this bronzer. So big 3 is what I'm doing. I really like this bronzer. I don't know why I never use it. Can you guys hear the birds? For blusher, I'm going to use this one right here from MAC. I don't even know if they sell this one anymore, to be honest, but use whatever you have. This one is called Rosy Outlook, and I really love it. And I'm going to use this with a Crown 143 Deluxe Fan Brush. I really like this brush. Just put it on. You guys, I'm not wearing any highlighter right now. I don't know what I did different. I know what I did different. But I'm actually really loving the way my foundation looks right now. It looks like I have a highlighter on, but I don't. Isn't that cool? Okay, anyways, so I'm going to use Champagne Pop. I don't know why I keep doing this. Champagne Pop from Becca. I haven't used this in the longest time. I can't remember the last time I used this, honestly. I'm using a Morphe 310 brush. For lips, I'm going to use MAC Saint Germain. No, it's Chatterbox lipstick. This is my all-time favorite pink lipstick in the whole wide world. And like, I have to buy a new one soon. So I did, because it's actually pretty, like, it's pretty pink. But what I did was, I just put a little bit on. And I blended it in with my fingers. That is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a really long time and I did miss it. Yeah, and if you guys like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment down below just for like tell me what you like to see in the future videos. And to my next video, I shall see you guys next time. I shall see you guys next time. Bye.